G'day guys, Dallas here from Dunn Watson. Today I'm going to be talking to you about why 2 locking levers is always better than 1. I have a few products here on display and it's going to help me discuss it with you today. At Dunn Watson we commonly see customers coming in with camper trailers or caravans that have fridge slides or cargo drawers that have been built with only 1 locking lever to the drawer system. This obviously makes a lot of sense because now I only need 1 hand to lock and unlock my cargo drawer or fridge slide. The problem is though, you now only have 1 locking bell trying to keep your entire drawer square. So here we have a system built on 2 locking slides. When it comes out to full extension, it's now locked out, but it's locked out at both points. This is very comfortably keeping this entire thing square. Here's an example of the locking bell. Note here, this is why it's locked out. When you have a system with only 1 locking lever, let's pretend it's this side, and this side was a non-locking slide, this side would try to close a little bit. What happens is, if it wants to shut a little bit on this side, and it's permanently locked out on that side, you'll actually twist the system and you put a lot of strain under the belt. In time, this almost always fails, and that's not just something by our assumption, that's something we've learned over time from numerous people coming in. For this reason at Dunn Watson, we always recommend 2 locking levers. However, if you find that needing 2 hands to lock and unlock, like so, is going to be a problem for you in your operation, we do have joiner bars. This one here has been fabricated from 25mm angle bar. We also have ones that are pre-built available in our shop and also available for sale on our website. So there you have it guys, 2 locking levers is always better than 1. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions about our drawer slides, please feel free to give us a call or flick us an email.